Good morning, everyone out there on Facebook. A little construction update here from the Uftring Automall in East Peoria. Over my shoulder, you can see we've got the guys up on the lift finishing. What they're doing is working on the framing for the new facade for the Ford showroom. A lot of that work is, as you can see, is really taking shape. The brand wall over my right shoulder here is really coming into play. That's going to be covered in brushed aluminum panels. Looks going to look really, really sharp. Footings are still in for the Ford entry tower, and you can see the electricity is all plumbed in there, and we'll be ready to go. And then right down on the ground in front of me, red steel, structural steel is in place, and it's in preparation to go up, and that'll go up this week. And you can see we've got a 30-ton crane on site. Big fella that started going to work on Friday, and all this red steel was put up in one day. And they're continuing their work today, which is Monday. And you can really see the Subaru showroom starting to take place, and it'll get framed in here and really get an idea of what's happening. We've got the showroom getting ready to be framed in here. Is looking really, really good. You can see on the right, the Subaru service drive, and the framing of that as well. And it's really coming together. We've got the foundation work is done, obviously, putting in all the structural steel, and we've got a lot of activity happening today. And we'll hit pause and then move around to the back side of the structure here and take a look at what's going on back on the bathrooms and managers' offices. First look on the what we'll call the back side of the Subaru showroom. Over my shoulder, you can see the walls are being opened up. The guys are doing a great job keeping us open while we're working, obviously, but what they're prepping, if you look down, you can see the footings are in for the new wall that's going to go up, and that is framing in, and the guys are opening up the entrances to new customer bathrooms, and also a manager's office and a storage/mechanical closet. So the Subaru customers, when they come in, they'll have a service experience, a sales experience, everything self-contained for our Subaru customers. And this is part of that prep happening right now. And obviously a lot going on this week, a lot happening. We're just at the beginning of the week right now, and we've had a lot of activity and movement as far as construction-wise. And we're really excited to have a great month started off for August. A lot of selection, great incentives, great interest rates out there, 0% on a lot of inventory, both for new Fords and for new Subarus. And our used car business is thriving. Service and parts still open, so we've got a lot happening here, but a lot of folks are still coming in doing business with us. We hope to see you real soon.